What color was she before?
She's a golden. What? Anybody want her?
Yes.
Crisscross from my hand.
Jump, jump. Yes! Oh, she almost got it. Oh. Yeah!
Crisscross from my hand.
Jump, jump. Yes! Oh, she almost got it. Oh. Yeah!
Good morning, Tracker. Good morning, Forest. Good morning, Quill. Good morning, Nurture. Oh, scratchy, 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 scratchy. You go, boy. Good morning, Scout. Good morning, Turk. Good morning, Raina. Oh, all the birds today. All the birds. Good morning, Pichu and Mesa. Ooh, no need to get saucy. Good morning, Juba. Good morning, Tundra. My old girl. Good morning, Khan. Yeah, grumpy as always, I know. Good morning, Alfalfa. What's he doing? You sniffing? Oh, that's scary.
Oh yeah, just give me a little bit of that sweet little, come on, let me just taste it, come on, I just want to have a little bite of that, come on, let me just have a little piece, come on, oh yeah.
Hey Google, what do Siberian Huskies sound like?
This is a Siberian Husky.
Nice!
Look at all the bunnies coming after you. Show them. Oh my god, look at all the bunnies.
So apparently the people on TikTok like this. You walk in, and boom, puppy. And now, we're TikTok famous.
Where do you think you're going? Hey guys, watch out!
It's gonna be big if you deal with it.